Today, we're whipping up this warm, cozy, no-bake pumpkin cheesecake. Hey there, Liz here. This no-bake pumpkin cheesecake is pumpkin, spice, and everything nice, except the oven. Hallelujah. It's a creamy, dreamy cheesecake that will be the showstopper of your Thanksgiving Day dessert table or any fall gathering. So, grab that apron and let's bake some up. But first, please comment below and let me know your favorite fall dessert. First of all, grab a medium to large mixing bowl and add 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix those together well with a handheld or a stand mixer. Then add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. Let's mix these together with our mixer. Folks, this is huge. Make sure you are using pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling. Pumpkin puree is 100% pumpkin without anything added. Pumpkin pie filling has sugar and spices added. If you swap the puree with the pumpkin pie filling, you're going to end up with a pumpkin spice diva. Yeah, overly sweet and overly spiced, not the cozy fall treat you were looking for. Next, let's fold in 1 8-ounce tub of whipped topping with a spatula. Make sure there are no white streaks left. Now, let's transfer our cheesecake batter to a 9 or 10-inch graham cracker crust. You can make your crust or take the lazy route, like me, and buy one. No shame, folks. Spread out your batter evenly. If you are using a 9-inch crust, there might be some batter left over. Now, cover your cheesecake with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for at least 6 hours. This is going to allow it to set and firm up. Here she is, y'all. It's pure pumpkin spice bliss in a graham cracker crust. Y'all, help me. This is just so good. I'm going to need my stretchy pants. This is just lazy bacon at its best. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace, love, and pumpkin.